Next item is a collapse. So this is also a bootstrap element, and what it does is toggle the visibility of content across your project. So I will show you a demo of how to use this. So first I'll add a collapse, and then inside this collapse I will add a paragraph. And there's this option show contents by default. So collapse itself wouldn't work. So this collapse, you need one more element to make it work. So toggle this collapse on or off, you have to add a toggle button like this. And then the toggle type is either collapse or off canvas. So let's say I have this toggle button, and then when I click it, and then you have to select the target for this toggle button. So I'll select like collapse one, and when I click this button, you will see that the collapse is either opens or closes when I click this button. So let's say if we want to make a custom accordion or something like that, this is provided by Bootstrap, and this is often you may have seen this button to collapse the navigation bar.